In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files on Google Drive and, more importantly, how to permanently delete those files for good. We all know that keeping our digital life organized is essential, and sometimes this means cleaning up and removing unnecessary files from our Google Drive. Perhaps you've tried doing this before and found it a lengthy task. Don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through the process in a few simple and quick steps. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Google Drive homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged in with the account that contains the files you want to delete. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen with several options. What we're interested in now is the bin section. Go ahead and click on bin. The bin is where all deleted files are stored temporarily before they are permanently removed. You'll see a list of files that have previously been deleted, but not yet wiped from the system. Now, you may be looking at a screen filled with numerous files, but don't worry about going through them one by one. What you're going to do next is select any file in the list. This is just to activate the selection mode. Here's a little keyboard shortcut magic to make things easier. While in the bin, press Ctrl and the A key simultaneously if you're on a Windows computer, or Command and A if you're using a Mac. This action will highlight every single file within the bin, no matter how many there are. It's really a great way to save time when you want to clear everything out in one go. With all the files now selected, you're a click away from deleting them permanently. Look for the delete icon, which usually appears as a trash can at the top of your screen. Clicking on this icon will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to permanently remove these files. It's important to understand that once you confirm this action, these files are gone for good, so make sure you've backed up anything you might need later, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've not only cleaned up your Google Drive, but also ensured that your unwanted files are removed permanently. Remember, keeping your drive tidy can help enhance productivity and free up valuable space. Once you've followed these steps, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment knowing your digital space is more organized. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips.